Hello, so today I'm gonna talk about one healthy lifestyle in Saudi Arabia. So here is the picture. One important healthy lifestyle in Saudi Arabia is eating traditional natural food. Many Saudi people eat dates every day or it's called eat param. Dates are very healthy because they are given natural energy, fiber and vitamin. Dates are often eaten with Arabic coffee, especially in the morning or when welcome guests. This simple habit helps people stay energetic and healthy. Another healthy practice in Saudi Arabia is hijama, also known as cupping therapy. Hijama is a traditional Islamic medicine practice. It is believed to remove bad blood from the body and improve blood circulation. Many people in Saudi Arabia follow this practice because it is a recommendation in Islamic teaching and is believed to improve health. In addition, walking is becoming more popular in Saudi Arabia. Many people walk in park or open area, especially in the evening when the weather is cooler. Walking at least 30 minutes a day help reduce stress and improve heart health. Thank you.